Top 7. Personalize your watch with thousands of free watch faces, more than 15 preloaded GPS and indoor sports apps, including yoga, running, swimming, and many more. Monitor your fitness level with VO2 max and fitness mate estimates, plus keep an eye on how you handle stress. Get connected features such as smart notifications, automatic GPS mode. Top 6. Simple, easy to use golf watch. Sleek, lightweight and comfortable with a high resolution sunlight readable display. Provides yardages to the front, back and middle of the green. Top 5. It's a great watch. Wow, what a great piece, worth every penny. Love this mechanical hand-wound piece. More beautiful in person. Simple, clean, nice watch for a reasonable price. The watch. Top 4. Record all the ways to move with more than 20 preloaded GPS and indoor sports apps. Get easy to follow animated workouts right on your watch screen. Battery life up to 8 days and smartwatch mode up to 6 hours and GPS and music mode. Personalize your watch with thousands of free watch faces.
Garmin Descent Mk2i is your partner for exploring worlds of adventure, underwater or topside. In this video, we'll help you get acquainted with your new dive computer and teach you how to access some of its best features. First, let's look at the device. Press and hold the light key to turn the device on. Once it's on, you'll use it to turn the backlight on and off. Or press and hold to bring up the controls menu. Use the up and down arrow keys to scroll through the widget loop and menus. During a dive, you'll also be able to scroll through data screens. Press the Start key to view your list of activities.
You can get a jump on your challengers this season with sailing-specific fitness activities on Mark Captain and Mark Captain American Magic Edition. The sail grinding activity allows you to build strength and endurance in the gym. You can take conditioning onto the water too and prepare for what you'll encounter on race day. And you can train like the American Magic crew with 3 workouts: race simulation, fitness test, and intervals workout. For the best results on regatta day, you also want a tool that helps you hit the start.
Go the distance. In this video, we'll show you how to set up and start using your Forerunner 935. First, let's take a look at the device. On the top left, you'll see the light key, which you'll use to control the backlight and also access the controls menu. Hold the light key to access the controls menu, which you can use to lock your device, set it to Do Not Disturb mode, and more. Below that are the up and down keys. These help you navigate through the